It's day 22 of 20. Started today off with the mock interview. It went well and bad. Well, and then I solved the question, like how to solve it instantly. Implementing it in code, once again, kind of slow. Ran into this really weird bug with adding basically a count inside of a hash map, like iterating over an array and counting each instance of that element. And so that broke the code and spent half the time trying to debug it. And so the feedback was to use simpler code so it's easy to debug. But that was a really great session, got lots of really helpful feedback. I scheduled my next mock interview for 2 weeks after this. I'm going to try to do it every 2 weeks. I might increase the frequency once I get through all the big data structures. I also learned about the difference between map and object. I've kind of used both of them, but not that much. And so map would have also been a much more efficient data structure to use on that one. Middle part of the day was classes back to back, and it's now 5 o'clock. So I have not done anything yet. I'm going to go in and resolve the question from the technical interview. Then I want to get into a challenge from day 2 of the last 4 weeks, and then I'm going to get into a new data structure, which is graphs. I'm going to do some flashcard review. I need to do job applications, and I scheduled in a new networking event in Irvine. I heard their tech space is really good over there. They have a bunch of companies that are hiring, things like Blizzard's over there, and Disney, and Activision, all these companies. So I'm going to try to connect with people over there. The networking event from Friday was also really good. I didn't talk about that in the last video. Met a bunch of really cool people, met someone who was studying computational linguistics, someone who had software infrastructure, software devs, people still in school. It was a really great group. So that's today. I'm going to add in the code that I do after this, like always. And I'm making this video now because I probably will be less well presented later on in the day. I'll probably change to something more comfortable. But anyway, that's day 2 or day 22 of 21. Day 22 of 20. And I will see you tomorrow.